Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
Summary of the novel was published in 1957. Was is a novel by Patrick White, one of Australia's greatest writers. The novel is loosely based on the true story of the 19th century German explorer Ludwig Leichhardt, who disappeared while attempting to cross the Australian continent. Introduction. Was and Laura. The novel follows Johann Ulrich Was, a German explorer who arrives in Sydney in the mid-19th century with the ambition to cross the Australian outback. Before his journey, he meets Laura Trevelyan, an intelligent and independent young woman from a wealthy family. Though they barely spend time together, a deep and intense spiritual connection develops between them. The expedition begins. Was sets out with a group of men on a dangerous journey into the unexplored heart of Australia. His team includes a freed convict, a botanist, and several indigenous guides. As they travel deeper into the harsh landscape, conflicts arise between the men, and the extreme conditions begin to take their toll. Parallel lives. Laura in Sydney. While Was struggles in the outback, Laura remains in Sydney, where she deals with personal losses and societal expectations. Despite the distance, they continue to communicate through letters in a mystical, almost telepathic bond. Their relationship transcends the physical world, becoming symbolic of human endurance and love. Was's downfall. As the expedition progresses, Was becomes increasingly obsessed and godlike, believing he can conquer the land through sheer willpower. However, the harsh environment, betrayals, and conflicts within the group lead to disaster. Eventually, Was is captured by indigenous Australians and killed, marking the failure of his quest. Laura's realization. Laura, who had always sensed Was's fate, accepts his death with quiet strength. Though she never physically reunites with him, their spiritual connection remains, showing that Was's journey was as much about inner exploration as it was about physical conquest. The novel's structure. Dual narrative. The novel is divided into two intertwined storylines. 1. Was's expedition, physical journey. The story follows Johann Ulrich Was, a German explorer, as he leads an expedition into the unmapped Australian outback. The narrative is filled with harsh landscapes, conflicts within the group, and Was's increasing descent into madness. The journey is marked by death, suffering, and eventual failure, showing the impossibility of conquering the land. 2. Laura Trevelyan's story, psychological and spiritual journey. Laura, a well-educated young woman in Sydney, shares a mystical connection with Was despite their brief real-world interaction. She struggles with grief, societal expectations, and personal growth, mirroring Was's internal struggles in the wild. Her narrative serves as a counterpoint to Was's arrogance. While he seeks control, she learns acceptance. Patrick White's complex narrative arrangement reflects the themes of exploration, failure, and transcendence in Was. The dual storyline, psychological depth, and symbolic storytelling make the novel more than just an adventure. It is a philosophical and spiritual meditation on human ambition and destiny. Themes in Was: exploration and obsession. Was's journey symbolizes the European desire to dominate and understand Australia, but also his own inner struggles, love and spiritual connection. The relationship between Was and Laura transcends traditional romance, becoming a powerful psychological and spiritual bond. Man versus nature. The novel explores the brutal indifference of the Australian landscape and the limits of human ambition, colonialism and indigenous culture. The book critiques European arrogance and highlights the wisdom of indigenous Australians, who understand the land better than the explorers. Failure and redemption. Was fails physically but achieves a kind of spiritual immortality through Laura's memory. Conclusion. Was is not just an adventure novel. It's a deep, symbolic exploration of love, destiny, and the limits of human ambition. Through its complex narrative and poetic language, Patrick White creates a masterpiece that captures both the harshness and beauty of Australia, making Was one of the greatest works in Australian literature.
Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.